Fetal growth is a continuous process divided into 3 trimesters, spanning approximately 40 weeks. Month-by-month development. Month 1, weeks 1 to 4, fertilization occurs, and the egg becomes a blastocyst that implants in the uterine lining. The neural tube, future brain, and spinal cord begins to form. Month 2, weeks 5 to 8. The heart starts to pulse at about 5 to 6 weeks. Buds for arms and legs appear, and major organs like the liver and kidneys begin to form. Month 3, weeks 9 to 12. Now called a fetus, it develops fingers, toes, and external ears. Most organs are fully formed, and the fetus starts moving its limbs. Month 4, weeks 13 to 16. The fetus can suck its thumb, yawn, and stretch. External genitals are fully developed, though they may not be visible on ultrasound until later. Month 5, weeks 17 to 20, the mother often begins to feel movement quickening. A fine hair called lanugo and a protective coating called vernix cover the skin. Month 6, weeks 21 to 24, the eyes begin to open, and the fetus can respond to sounds. Lungs are fully formed but not yet functional outside the womb. Month 7, weeks 25 to 28, fat starts building up under the skin, which becomes less wrinkled. The fetus can blink and has eyelashes. Month 8, weeks 29 to 32, rapid brain growth occurs. Most internal systems are well developed, and the fetus starts gaining weight more quickly. Month 9, weeks 33 to 36, the lungs are nearly mature. The fetus often turns into a head-down position to prepare for birth. Month 10, weeks 37 to 40, the fetus is considered full-term. It continues to gain weight until birth, eventually weighing between 7 to 9 pounds on average. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.